All right, good morning, everybody. Going to share a little bit of information on how to use the drawing feature on Google Docs, and that's going to help you work your way through some of the questions this week that are related to fractions. So instead of doing it on paper at home, I want to show you how you can do it right on the computer, and that way I can kind of see your thinking and how that works. So if I want to show, for example, say I just want to show um, half of something. Okay, I just show that there. If I want to do a drawing of that, I can go over here to where it says insert. I scroll through the lists, you'll see drawing right there. You can go over to new, and then this screen pops up where you can do all your drawing. Now, what I was thinking when I was going to show half of something is that I would pick some shapes. This is the shape feature here, and you can choose any one of these shapes. I'm just going to pick this rectangle here. So I make my rectangle not too big. I'm only going to make it about that big because that's how big it's going to appear on the Google Doc. So I've got my square now, and what I want to do is I want to make another square that's the exact same size. So I can right click, I can copy, and then I can paste, and it'll create another square the exact same size. I'm going to put it over there right beside it, just so that they're nice and close together. And now to show half, I can change the color. So I can change any color I want inside that square. I'm going to make it red. And then I've got one half of my squares being red, one half being gray. So half of something. If I'm looking at this rectangle as a whole, I can see that half of it is shaded in. That way I can actually tell that what this shape is, and I can move it around, which is kind of nice, is half of something. When I just click on the wrap text feature there, that allows it to move anywhere you'd like. Going back into the drawing feature, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to go back into there, click new again. I find that it's easiest to make shapes in order to make your fractions. Normally we, do circles, we chop them up, we say how many slices of pizza, etc. But it's actually a little bit easier to do shapes like this, because if I want to split, I'm going to make this bigger. If I want to split this shape into a certain number of pieces, I can use a line. Those dots come up to show me where the halfway point is, and I can draw a line right through the middle. I've split it in half. I can do that again over here, split it into quarters, right? And then I can continue to do that. Split these pieces, try to make them as equal as possible. If they're not quite perfect, that's okay. But now I've created 8 unique pieces. And if I want to demonstrate, say, maybe 5 out of 10 sections, what I can do is, I can't use the fill feature on this because this is all one shape. What I can do is I can mark them off. So for example, if someone said, I want you to show me 5 out of 8 pieces. 5 out of 8 pieces have been used, or 5 out of 8 pieces of the chocolate bar have been eaten. I can mark them off like that. Save and close once again, and here's my picture. The nice part is, if it gets to be quite big, you can shrink it down, you can stretch it out, you can do whatever you have to do. And if you find that your pictures or your drawings are getting to be a bit big, you can always extend the page. You can always kind of keep going down, further down, and make it bigger as you need to. So, recap, insert drawing, new. You can use shapes, you can use other objects, whatever it is you feel comfortable with. And that's all for today. Maybe in the next couple days, there will be more videos showing you more features. Thanks for watching.